How to get the domain name of my site within a Django template. How do I get the domain name of my current site from within a Django template? I've tried looking in the tag and filters, but nothing there.
I think what you want is to have access to the request context. See request context.
If you want the actual HTTP host header, see Daniel Roseman's comment on Xiao's answer. The other alternative is if you're using the contribution sites framework, you can set a canonical domain name for a site in the database. Mapping the request domain to a settings file with the proper site_ID is something you have to do yourself via your web server setup. In that case, you're looking for. You'd have to put the current_site object into a template context yourself if you want to use it. If you're using it all over the place, you could package that up in a template context processor.
Complementing Karl Mayr, you can make a context processor like this. module.context_processors.py local settings.py settings.py Templates returning context instance. The URL site is site_URL. You can write your own routine if want to handle subdomains or SSL in the context processor.
I've discovered the request.get_host method.
Most of the info concerning